Kwabna me samu akwa baby.
Well, Mejoso. Come on.
Oh. I'm Adom TV. Where the evidence? Nurse ni na can asem no. Na me tie na me raho.
Okay, so if you are the simple nafi memo commanding your yebium there, sector minister should be worried much more than the old display no opposition no. Oko aferi hospital can say makasiye to abai also no ne prenso. Oko tamale no a specialist ne ho na officer ne shebre at once. You see, the lack of principle that I have said all the time, we continue to. Anything the president that could try maybe 22 hours. 22 hours. Our president. So when you display such people have that power to walk in the corridors of power. And me catch you on a panel. Me could jubilee as a that's a gentleman who could jubilee as a me out they will stop me.
Oh,
they
yes.
give him access.
Oh yes. So
one friend gentleman.
No, me So please, Mr. Minister, if indeed you are for your health workers as you claim, not as you mean, then this is not your action. Say, I'm Papa, say, guy, no. What's that premise? One no hage. Now, no, Coca say, Ghana 4 doors in Jini, be Wukura na yedi. Now, I don't know what to war. I don't get that one one war, and at that material moment, you know, no, I be a Ghanaian than somebody else or survivor now.
Superior.
The health minister, it is not about a BBMO. You have failed in your approach to this one. Simple. Just like Okujeto has failed in his conversation on this issue about a helicopter. I know it will be so pacho. Or if the discussion is that Ghana needs a new jet, I don't know the jet or the plane Ebekufiana. You didn't try church. I want to try and try church. I want to see this time. We are still lying to ourselves, deceiving ourselves. We are dishonest. We are encouraging people. We are emboldening people to misbehave. How? A lot of foolishness in this country. Foolishness. Legitimate people. Nobody talks about it because everybody will say, when we keep comparing there, we'll never arrive. Because Okokaya was to say, Intablikuma is justified. Akwetia will also be justified. If the government changes, the other justifications will follow suit.
And I didn't start to and yes, if it's not start you.
What is this?
I'm not the only shift to cry. But see, Gina health.
No, Gina health, who does say because I didn't know organized. I mean, more could draw this edge, man. Nankaga wepa the 7. Why should he be walking the corridors of power? Impunity. Now health minister saying that embracing another again. Same premise, we tell you same. O block 37. Hinsha bibia di attempt to block 37. E ka say Ghana for now who na eden. Who. And the doctor should not sit on this matter.
At all.
It should not be a matter of RIGDE Hospital. It can be.
Me say for you know be crazy wo baby.
It can be because we are what it means is that all our major hospitals, no, me the major Zikokolibua, because me a friend of mine in the me so I'll bring boys to attack the police. Why? My passport delay because me on my in the I'll go to the passport office. Me say be obia. Sa number say the why? Politicians are becoming too much. It's too much. Intimidation, insult, all necessary things. When we talk about productive things, and no man self for every day.
And some
why?
And
this same person will have the guts to be walking around this country to decide what we are supposed to do again. For us. And I urge the GMA so fee cry. Mamini kunu nebushia phone taking up this matter. I'm surprised that the police is there. With the mama power, the force at which the police will come to me will be decent. Look at how they will come and treat me. You are too abba. You are too abba. Ganam say command obit me two police for car no two. Now NPC then in opposition. Look at what they were ranting. They didn't see anything wrong with it. What would they see wrong today? What would they see wrong today? So continuously we have said that Aban bia obanas ye catch you say sheyi. It's not to the interest of Kwabena Santi because me this company make go school man top notch school ni na politicians na eko. Omo manu fa ha ura usi ha all the international schools all Ghana nyina go and check the caliber of people. Go and check it. Na ko all government schools na ko assembly grounds where say green grass in po ha na say. Yeah, futuro. Na me tell school no kura school papa bai. Why? Why?
Ebro se dia na yabobo.
Obia person say o politician no. Obia. Say number dey obia school e politicians. Everybody will become part of you. Now, if you say, it's too much.
Too much.
Your man was your phone Jimmy for. I'm more coin. I'm a neck. And yes, this is America. No, but the people involved in this country. Why should this rough guy be working like that?
To boy, Nadia.
Why? 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 Yes, he said also, no aquatic war. No matter force to be reckoned with. Why? Why?
Say.
You come on, Muntie. On my brain, ye chichini sano. On my brain, ye muadi, ye throw masano. On my brain, ye musano. On my brain, ye musano. On my brain, ye
shradi.
On my brain, ye.
Because obey you, ye be hailing, ya bona basso.
Ada
shabonipa
dinipa tem akwadan feri penmu feri akwada message on my way say am fa dia asi enipa nwotwe a ma hwe o nkwa a ma na ntimi asesa nyoma on my way mu dia then we have nowhere to go again because the fight against illegal mining we know what the NDC said we know what the MPP did two presidents in Nano when the case on Kuntia for good day too na na do see me the presidency atoso John Dramani Mama is say national emergency. But how we for na guarantee enya this for MPP tanya MPP before. So why are we deceiving ourselves? Why? The discussion on illegal mining about busumness yasosa. Ya ditra wo ye sa menne Ghana Mpensenpensenmu na mitie ko say Obi are you sure of what you say? The president should sit for 22 hours. Here's the foreign minister now who talks about say president the machine we share machine emiensa ba kokra say and what's the big deal? What's the big deal? What's the big deal, eh? You are a foreign minister. If you France be more fast flight now they call basa. Because what's the big deal? You are a foreign minister. What's the big deal? There's too much propaganda. There's too much dishonesty. There's too much lack of principle. We are tired. We're too much tired.
We
are tired. Tired.
We kitten. Kasa ne how here.
We are tired.
Oh my japade. Waseno.
We are tired. Oh, Shano Pa. Government has brought policies for us to all brainstorm on it. There be wait, riffraff, we don't know the control Ghana. Why? No block 37 quite block 37 no anya kuku drive Ghana for nyanga your doors in tebi who are there now who are what's our problem what's our problem
Kwaba minya we na say udi e chi obekasa mo akoma arewo
please we look on just like that
arewo nti no dear ono ekọ emergency honorage ono anie
we look on just like that
yeah asa kom sa na ejina ho na ye hwe no anya hwe
we look on just like that
anie sa aso odoman ni sin obi a anya na hwe nti we de ye hwe ma ne nkọ hwe sa e wo se bibi koso.
Why wouldn't people even give meanings into how we when no na modis ano say kanya the slightest opposition MPP in the year we are but now called the bus. Why can't we say we are selective in terms of the application of the law? Why can't we conclude like that? Again, the CEO can conclude like that. Oh dear, you na yem pem so nkosa. Yem fa trodie. Yem fa nsemmunu. Yem fa enso so 10 years so. And I'm a party number. Surprisingly, people with power omo embrace no. My friend doctors, they said they will not go.
No, where quite as well.
The impunity with which even he engages the health minister, they will not go. Nobody goes to never change your man. And yes, what call him poor woman in Tio, what but other one be where was one who pay attention to. And no one to say, Yaka de Brano, the deal was sister Mudada. No, say I had a gun at the end of the please, because I don't get it again. People, when they look for power, from 1992, one of my biggest challenge. Me Masaka for almost 2, 3, 4, 5 years. 1989, I'm here from 5. Accra Kumasi Road. Are we not ashamed? Accra Kumasi Road. Are we not ashamed? Now we have to virtually beg the sector minister to do Amasama Road. Is that my responsibility? What nonsense is happening in this country now? What is this?
Yeah. My memko na fe yantoa enkomodie no se Mpensenpensenmu we no ya semidika ye beka mpanifo mema ye nka keke mane meye no se ye beka ye ni na wotweda na ye twa no e say
impunity no be too form agudie no akodjiro na onu dia beto social media o too form agudie o too woni kwanso no no asa be jam be say president opa abre no be chia yam no no na mo no afa no wedi na also usi form agudie o kwai da men kai busuafo ya
oh yo ya asensuo asay yankwaye eno batan be wona ne ba wadi for me akra woni mu he nsa na yetietia obehwe na ne nan na keka bom basa because of wo wani bresika penti onwire obi ho onko awode na wi a waso awode e de wo mo konkrofo aman so na yetia na yebre na ewie na abeka brofo na eja ne ho saa brofo saa
committee every day committee
saa we committee wo be wi hu nsam so saa dia bi wo ho ehia ko na no wa take action
oh my ebesi ne JB a parliamentarian
ebesi ne saa ye did 10 years em said 11th year mu ni hwe ko free ti ya de bia hwe ho ye ni anyusu as a scapegoat mumye hwe ho ye na mumye nya careful awofo ne abatan no saafo we mu nyom wa abusia enti ya no mo ye saa na ya mu hu de mumye nya careful ni nya te se de ye do man ne se ye ya krampo aye wo mu na do man si obi eso opra obi eso ku obi ansa e na kire se wo na do man no eso so man na japade ansa wani mu nya ya disika na be sa ye te ho su si ye sika sam nye na de na ya no a wase no enye the same sika na ye be ire de akwa akwa
base so ene sebi ko hwini bia pese obeye kadifo ema e wo ya brabom yes just like that ko hwini bia the standards I said this almost 8 years ago the standards are falling down every blessed day go to parliament now for the past 3-4 years niye o madan na dia che Ghana for go to parliament. They say it's an August house. Go to parliament. Now who you know? Now can say who you dey see okoko man.
Dabi. Emkra so.
Are people not justifying that? Sa branch any na omuhuri te say Chuck Norris ekopim okobuti no. O man can say maame no or to they justified it. This is the country. Ekura enkwada mako edunso echiro mo nkwa. We care less. Can you imagine?
Papa mama fancy me dey fear amankwa tamaklo. Dey do so no Mpensenpensenmu man na kwabna sante e dey to so.
Well, if I'm not in the best of shape this morning because continuously we've been speaking and this is becoming too much. Maybe I know, you know, as human as we are, Mr. Momo Fanchemi and Nanope, I think that that is very unusual of me, but it hurts. Mr. Biana Nwakopa, Mr. Pa, very worrying. Ubachira doctor for Juma Munye, nurse for Juma Munye. Asakoti committee. Na ebi de ba ete committee, ebi de ba e Chiom Street. You know, very for Hanum Sana or Kasasa. Or on Penwasem, not Wabishia Sahitwi. They are very worrying. And Padisi, mo hadwen o.
Minchia waiting for minchia.
I will account mo hadwen o.
I mean, I'm count. I am here there more than grouping mu your friend politicians. Ba musumana Major James Mesa na mana ta money order tetem wo fa mo order tetem no. Ya on to them grade. Subana disada order tetem no on to them. Ntoya and somebody be crama metoya ma sefim. Na no pay one on kapa baby ao. Ntima apologize to bia.
Say that is not me.
Oh, Massa. No,
It's you.
It's not you, Monye you. Monye.
Yeah.
Sunday some huno oya wadoso. Mamu tu kon enda da mabe. Awe once away mu young man dey out na social media commentary or make say Obama pokwase. Police folk already ni fi ahomachi. Because of MPP ni na waka some odetia IGP say waka some was on for the condo. This hoodlum a soko no more them can go to the hospital to go and attack medical professionals. Osa na ban wa manu tum
Aban so.
Oh, massa, what's so do?
Aban so.
Ma look,
Aban so ni trim pon de call no.
Oh,
de ebe me hu say aban so ni trim pon de call
no.
The
That's our track record.
That is it. That's what I agree.
Or a member of Democracy Hub.
I agree.
Okay, when I demonstrating against National Cathedral, or talk swimming pool or say whatever it is. Okay, the NDC in opposition, what you see?
You cannot be emphatic on that.
I'm speaking 100%.
Or Democratic
I'm coming.
An appendage. No, and an appendage.
What about Benjamin? He's always in Jubilee House. And I'm listening to video they will be. And then here, finance minister calling the media review budget. He was with him. On the who?
No.
Minister for Health ended that Oko Hospital or Hagen. On the who? Maybe so as I want. We are back at me. The politicians here. Maybe so as I know. Ewunia.
Emrem no tino sabi.
It's a catch now there. Okawo. He feels emboldened because in his mind not no power.
But what about power? No, that's how they
behave. But that's how they behave. That's the Subana what the trend. More year Chagana for catch and the walk block at 37. Obidin mami otina ka mo emergency. Also Ghana for our dosu. So man be one eye then. The video no say one.
That one.
That's how he was taught to do his politics. Why are you surprised? I got a medical association for once in a while. But thankfully, maybe the way issue statement be that if government doesn't act, or advice one. Of course, the one kaya ada Obama innocent Ghanaians are
Asofa.
Obabre. But the Ghana Police Service, IGP, Yohunu, say to catchy, fancy comedy for social media comment or be a one TikTok live do. To catching state security apparatus or catching. What catchy say Obama Pokwasi, young man, don't raid in his house. One day you want to know. The Ghana for Wegu, watch so. Such selectivity. So nimde okay did them mama me use words be. No Baba Sama. I'm sure he would have advised himself.
If he's not emboldened.
Absolutely.
Go on, try it.
And come ahead and watch try. Mamines could say can never be there will be fini no kujuma. Now hoodlum be able to about attacking just because of no few there on your nejuma ye. Na any brown huma. If nyame ampata na say BB to patient no grana, there are no remedial actions.
Because the danger is that if the hospital was
able to hospital
and now retaliate appropriately, and also retaliate here, chaos, anarchy,
chaos. But a man politics no that man can hear the
too much.
A man paying. I mean, because I said it during another Rankaku for the Nabredo. Say, oh, here they yet to new presidential jet, and it's been established through His Excellency Nana Danko for the Nabram net time. It was not for nothing. Internet President Kufuor ordered 2 planes. Kakraba cross by a short haul. Nakasukro out by long haul travels. It was not for nothing. No. Propagandancy. NDC abandon Ben work from President most of the time. No what you no abandon the big one. Into Kakraba no a short and long haul flights net lifespan but short. It's not for nothing. McKay Eugene, I believe it was in 2021, or McKay some statement to that effect there. Aban region a corner able to me out of plane for the day I end this for year. President was compelled on some occasions to charter a flight. Could to black and some were careful. Now, how can it be that a man penning over in the airport 22 hours? Do you know the cost of the executive time?
Very bad.
Do you know the cost of sitting in transit? I mean, that politics is to me.
Very bad.
There were there. Some man paying on to full commercial. I
can't believe where we are headed.
I know the value of some of these engagements, international conference, meetings, engagements.
Your number one person.
That it can bring to
comfortable. Fully secured.
But why? He suited them into Mr. Mahama. Having been president before, he knew. But he never spoke once against Okujeto Ablakwa Nazorian because he was a beneficiary. Today, the chicken have come home to roost. If we have to buy a jet, by all means, why not? And private jet, why shouldn't they have a bath in it? Amahini, commercial flight, Airbus A380, man, we are going to be muda from Malaysia to Dubai. Even before I became a member of parliament. First class. First class. What's the big deal? Because business travel requires that it to be freshen up. Yeah, look. One more pajamas now, so you can change, rest well. Next morning they do a freshen up. I shall suit fine. It's an air meeting. So now for the current plane now. No one for Baltimore. The plane itself has been set up such that our damn facility it became an issue in this country. Amahini, last week we go Washington DC. Plane 2 in the 4 it got to Washington and apart 5:36. Now, auto in the bridge 6. Nobody Ghana and apart 9. So I was thinking to myself that if this had facilities like Emirates, you can actually travel on the plane in the if you Ghana 10. At that, it drew 4 o'clock. Are you ready? It's Sunday. I go meetings. I call meetings in Washington, and you bring that down home back to Accra. That's how these private planes are set up to operate. Yet, it is even possible that a man paying about to come. On that will chrome hot now, son. There won't be the need for him to even go to a hotel because our facilities are able to refreshing. We're playing
22 hours.
Yet the political propaganda will come.
I couldn't believe it, and I still want to believe that. I want them to issue a statement that reflects because how can our president?
I'm trying to find out how many flights are run between Dubai.
22 hours.
But if when doing time, that's a connecting flight. No, you're only one a day flight.
Before he became a politician,
then it becomes
This is what we have to think of. He's serving this country. not for only personal gains. Why do we let him go through this trauma?
If we have to buy it, no, I'm in NDC politics. I can never do it. If the country has a need, I know that there's a need. Yanto, so that the president can be protected, he can spend the time of state efficiently for the benefit of Ghana.
Oh, Bente.
So he says, let's not the rank of Kufuor, top play now. Then my president Kufuor tray you jail we are on phone call Chibi.
Oh, Bente.
But politics, propaganda. And the one can't to play.
Well, they have to be. I don't care about whether Omeka and Omonka. Yes, I think of the bigger picture, which is Ghana. Unfortunately, there's a president by name John Dramani Mahama. He came from a family, has a family himself. Now it's our product, or Ghana to the success land. I didn't need to man on.
Good.
I'm not
opposed to
No. Because
I know the reality.
No, it's not about you, I know
the reality. But NDC won't propaganda way. That's why they cannot turn around and come and tell me.
No, if we also don't close that chapter. And I'm just saying, if we don't close those chapters, progressing in this country will be the biggest.
Oh no, I agree with you.
Yes, because all the conversation, I know where you say, and the way you say, it's not good for us.
You know my position on the national media, and I'm telling you about your answer. You know my position. Propaganda, what do you hear? One so-called 24-hour economy policy. Look at what they suggested they were going to do.
But those conversations can come up.
But I agree.
Let's be nationalistic when it comes to some of these things.
But that's the point that I'm making. That it is because I'm nationalistic. That's why I will not oppose, unlike they did. Knowing the truth, they still did propaganda mischief with the truth. I will not.
But what they're seriously saying. Cocoa the board here, right?
Sure.
And a man came.
Papa.
Imreal.
Na saying, no. I get the phone on my cocoa no so maybe I will speak to it because minim say bribia na yesano cocoa dua it mean 50 years.
Nanya no mo de nrobia baba man call
good and there's no mere na hwe no say chemicals no kugu asase no so unya. Yes, but my share documentary severally and obi o tell me whatever me there make come no correct. This papa, Safo Katanka.
Yes, Safo Katanka.
He knows, sir, chemicals na ye use or.
And papa.
Yeah, obviously, name the effects are yenya. Anything embraces ya yenya be one woman cry.
He says, papa, now can.
But no, what develop alternatives be made from the documentary and the effects on Sanomano. Then Tina, young Koshena, say, you be Timmy and
2 years or my
I still don't know, sir. Who's in Yamibina? I
don't know. It's difficult. I don't know why government after government after government.
I still also don't know. Maybe I say I'm finding a project there because me Nina encountered that. Cocoa na and ye Diana and Tibia no wuna. Or no, I who say. No, tete kwashe no there was a resistant wave potential na timi gina hotwe nti ono we me the documentary bi wo si no ho wo ye cocoa Nigeria o say on ya agric dem bi tete kwashe na yira no he is trying to bring it back into a year seedlings over 60,000 or say wow people be give na ko dia ono they believe say we should go back to enono. These are some of the things that on my aeroplane have as some kind of mind tell me di ni nyana say amamu na ye ka ho asem no enye president nko enye ministers nko enye ye tie nyina ye de ka nyina ye ka ho bi anope by media radio another radio station presenters me no host ni na ya da co-host no they are fighting but I could say no I was here to presidential jet but I could say se munim na mo koto mo de counting instances and the way the guy is inciting
no
now the other colleague no I withdraw cry no sometimes my culture says one thing that motivated me to go into politics that I don't want to criticize things from outside it. Make that your philosophy. Adebia unim wonnim wonko mu no ɛyɛ asusu
You're careful.
You're careful. Only information be the general perception, and that is to see our politicians. They hire another back and say, do no masses know our perceptions be about politicians. You know we have been there. We call parliament. There was a time parliament, and the radio presenter no can say parliamentarians can say no muku see chamber no esa. I don't know whether he was there.
I was there.
Hey,
Michael Kwe time.
Me say, yeah, sister Mudi agwe be shi omo. They got scared quickly, me boy. They call parliament is here. Yeah, you back bench, you know. They can't tell room. Say yet ho. Na musubo na bia pese uko office uko for BBO sorry. Now sorry, you have to power so for be HC. Konya neti on. A big shoe. Akonya space. A big shoe na also you cry.
And the medium there is a big
shoe. Do not continue here.
That's how ho.
Hey. The struggles we go to change income. Even on the floor, chamber, when I try the major, we know, and some other things, Papa. And so says, yeah, actually.
But it's a need.
Meteor radio.
But it's a need.
Meteor radio.
It's a need.
So what do?
We need to brace up ourselves and start being positive people.
Good. But
because
of
there be in comfort your moon Jimmy did
that's what they said when they were in opposition.
Oh please. We will not go there again. We will not go there again. Yes, I didn't go.
Why?
Haven't you ever criticized government decisions, Bida? We feel say it is not in the popular opinion.
Let's focus.
What I'm trying to draw this on my name. Let us look at the populace, any the young swa, ye dear no, leadership and the fellowship, you come together.
That's it. Because only member of parliament now is on question Bramaino. Oh, here a certain peace of mind, a certain calmness, a certain focus.
Documents, yeah, dear be go also. Let me say, even the office of members of parliament, job sense and the nation, or hope you are called that. It do me young, and so you me
I don't know. I don't know.
Radio, it's not about propaganda. Yeah. Well, did you say it?
No, I didn't.
Good. Me say, it's a radio ne. Papa bakun se munim. Na mo de mo fan ko parliament se mo koto elupre. O se o kan elupre. Ube hu de. Ye de ba be mo ni na bakun. The guy was trying to explain this no crowd. This guy na no de wa ama we say. No,
that's sad.
Politics. In a way, yeah, let's understand before seeking to be understood.
No, we don't have to. We need to start pushing in their mind.
That is the good about it.
A certain national responsibility.
Good.
A certain national character.
Good.
So or poison waters ni na okosa oko de allomo se de eko manage nya tia.
For yenya onu pa oti radio ya T stations aye kasa ne hear the bigger picture of yen crop for your crew when we was here also no. Say am your more representative. Say koba say yen koto presidential data. What how will my people see? I know. Nti say ade na we say me be fa ho. Na mom ho. Ono be ma reasons bi say Suku na wa na ebugu ye no
nti one fee
and it's true
one fee
it's true say be 2 years ni nyame nai school dan kra nye full apata no egufom and I know say egufom and say na many MC ya trans say the first school aye kwa kosi nyame nai there because what almost 2 years just as kola ni baby eko then also ne there no how much nti amani in as much as you ntimi solve mo problem ni nyina ene no let them see say ye bibi ama wo mo atry no anko ye I know say in this year's budget and even in subsequent budget you know some of these things that and it is one direction of the budget as say most communities needs kakra we ta mo hu bibi say aba no edwo mo but say do mo pa nyina no aba no mia wo mo de nansa because they see themselves say oh, the way chi kotna na wa jare wo
what wa ma gudare wo
meanwhile who bedru ha yes
that's the point
you know
but that's not here some of the propaganda
Debbie
oh metro mo can say metro the propaganda
Debbie Debbie.
Amanka saying
Debbie, lawyer.
Enti yempe kwan bi so. A ye nyina ye beboa na ya tie ho ase ye hunu se. Sir President tu kwan a ye certain play okofa de ye minimum.
Enye ade e dwin ho se ne hu ato no. Se o de kofa. Now papa kotina baby 22 hours. Look at the age.
I've yet me can
no
me I mean tell because 22 hours na pay me do akra na meeting.
Come on.
Because we ordinary even atakra di kuma see even Nigeria akra how sometimes what you go through. Let's say 22 hours. We have to look at it. Now
mo ya man yourselves yesre mo.
Yeah,
mo open, frank and transparent and honest and principled am I. Na affect ya yetiase because mo embolden me nuanum bi no mo was adwumanum ama utie yen ka say ye 100% right. Utie nuanum bi kuran de on tworo ne de on kan. Na ekosa o man mu nyina no enye word.
I know na ya na mine how dey ya na me say and my brand here they say I'm embolden. I don't know how that emboldenment
your institutions of state omo responsible solely
so anti police whatever anti omo who dey cause and I know so this is a president should it be the case
maybe a president Freya they will take action
because Ejuma no so even as an MB in the morning the number of calls you have to do says a referee because you are inundated
a lot of messages, a lot of calls,
a lot of point. You know how to now they're not reflective as you may have to wake up and now go and start writing at your level. No. If you are IGP, we a police commander, regional commander, district commander, this place may fall within your jurisdiction. You want president and say to call. Then what? Yeah. How do we want it?
Well, my try on minister bako. My try on say but answer ne be kono. My main kai Senior Legends Association for Mujumedi Shunko amosim by Saturday and Sunday 2nd August and then the 1st of August. Inti senior the Saturday is girl child education support program and then the Sunday is you're talking about making menstruation a normal way of life. Senior Breku OB Sport Presla and any team you know and echo this Jumaya Presla the child baby you are part of us when you come with this mindset. But someone so Senior Breku Methodist Church and ye kwasiada August 2nd. Sister Maggie minimum so bana say US so much but my say computer Ghana say back to school deal no ego so I cost say open laptop and say open nyoma bi e bebo am additional team kan yi laptop in the brands I would do nyina or HP Lenovo Dell Samsung LG Tecno Infinix Itel Huawei and the can be brave. It's an opportunity to get the laptop and also do a lot of things with it, especially research ebeboa pa inti so if we as low as 3,500 echo upwards the opposite of the bia betimi there ti back to school mon channel so na mon koto munoma nyina e wo compu Ghana. Mr. John Quenin Imbro the immediate past CEO National Pensions Regulatory Authority ena wa woda happy birthday Sunko ana ekomo and surprise them for birthday ne badodo happy birthday koma sister Mavis Bona you are from Efia Chinese or Jamestown 60 years today Efia Chinese oh wow happy birthday Sonkona with the Emma Gasti man also chair teacher for more Takrade Polytechnic University Technical University Takrade Technical University or say San come over there yen hwe the teacher for so enrem because I could read teacher for so and so by another matter altogether. CEO of Minerals Commission, thank you. Always providing information as to updates. But in fact, Mr. You see there, aban mekasa me da sesa aban or that's because we nim dear war and the humanity will see no doubts about that. Because you know talk about the impunity in the country by politicians, especially those not politicians. It's not true. The impunity has affected all of us, journalists, traders, businessmen, police, because say close border. Now another documentary join this year. Now Obi Ojina border so 5 cities for illegal entry. No politician or this one, no. Even no say. Yasuma be patriotic, be proud, a proud Ghanaian. You could try what by try course.